one-stop solution for exclusive extensions, wigs, and hairpieces. Wigomania is a UK-based brand, established in 2006, offering a one-stop solution for exclusive extensions, wigs, and hairpieces. Wigomania clients benefit from the extensive range of hair wear products. Whether it is for personal care, ramp walks, photo sessions, social occasions, or more, our products are durable and versatile to create a stunning appearance and add grace to one's personality. Our clients are guaranteed highest product quality irrespective of whether it is for necessity wearers or as fashion adornments. Wigomania specializes in designing wigs that cater to the necessity wearers in the Asian subcontinent. These ladies include those who suffer from the after effects of chemo treatment, alopecia, or thinning hair. Wearing a Wigomania branded wig is almost like cosmetic surgery for your hair, without the pain or the cost. For a free personalized consultation and demo at our hair studio in Chennai, Hyderabad, and Coimbatore, speak to Ms. Aisha on 99628 31281. Wigomania, UK hair brand in India, designed in London, made for the world. For free demo and consultation, contact us on 99628 31281. Visit our website www.wigomania.com for discount coupons.